How to turn on sensitive content on Telegram. So if you want to turn on the sensitive content on Telegram, then what you need to do is first open up your Telegram application and go with the upper left, which has that 3-bar icon. Go with settings. Under settings, go with privacy and security. Under privacy and security, you will have an option of sensitive content, which is right here. But if you don't have the sensitive content, then what you need to do is just remove that and then go with a browser. And under browser, you can simply search for Telegram web. Once you search, now you just need to simply go with web.telegram.org and you can sign into your Telegram. So enter the mobile number and log in. And once you're logged into your Telegram, now you just need to simply go with the upper left, which has that 3-bar icon. Tap on it, go with settings. Under settings, go with the privacy and security option. And now you can scroll all the way down. And here you will have sensitive content. So if you want to turn on the sensitive content, then toggle on the option of disable filtering. And that's it. That's how you can turn on the sensitive content on your Telegram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.